a magical and important part of it. But you're not the only one who counts. The High Lady of Love and Compassion is waiting to guide you and be your friend and ally. Think first of others, and she will orchestrate your ultimate success.
Wonderful. So we go to the
Wow.
next speaker, Aditi Samant. Could you please do cards for her? Thank you.
Hi, Aditi. So I'm doing this reading out from the deck called Wisdom of the Hidden Realms. So I'll pick a card for you. So the card you have got, Aditi, is known as the Winged Wise Ones, and that has come as your ally. So just give me a minute. Okay, so that says that always allies and never challengers. The winged wise ones represent the aid of all the angels. When you enter their realm, know that your sincere prayers will be answered according to the will of the divine. This also represents divine intervention and the potential of miracles to heal and transform as if by magic. Have faith, whatever your circumstances, heavenly beings are watching over you. The winged wise ones give you a glimpse of the future by offering messages whispered on the wind. These are translated within you as inspired thought, instantly unraveling the past and revealing the present. Be aware of the higher consciousness in you. This is a good time to observe your thoughts through meditation. Who is observing these thoughts? That self is kin to the winged wise ones who have come to help you soar.
Wow.
Thank you.
So I need to make an announcement. I have special gratitude for Captain Aditi Samant today. One speaker had a little problem, so I asked Aditi to help out, and in no time did she say yes. And that's what I love about support. And this is what I'm beginning to understand. Ask and it's given. And thank you so much, Aditi, for being there. I really, really appreciate and acknowledge your presence in my life. The next speaker of the day is Yogesh Dhole. Could you please do a card reading for him? Thank you.
Um, Mr. Yogesh, you have got the camel boy, and just give me a minute.
And welcome to everybody on the Facebook. Thank you for consistently and constantly supporting us. In your support, we can support everyone. Thank you so much.
So the camel boy for you says that when the camel boy comes as your ally, he reminds you that asking for help will bring in the right people to ease the burden of your life. Perhaps a wise person appears to give you advice. Maybe you're moving and suddenly a couple of friends offer to give you a hand with your packing, or you want information about someone and you just happen to run into his former partner who gives you the knowledge you need to make the decision you've been weighing. No matter the issue, this is a sign that if you ask, you will receive what you need. Synchronicity is engaged when you request assistance. The camel boy never lets you down when you ask for help in lightening your load. Now is the time to do so and to expect to get it. Thank you.
Wonderful. We also read for Rashmi Arora, who is there despite her tragedy. So I really acknowledge her. So that will be a great, great, great speech today. Wonderful. And
Thank you.
she understood a pattern which she spoke about briefly 2 minutes before the program. And we're about to break something that's major in her life. Great. Go ahead. Could you just do a reading for her, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi, Rashmi. Since you've joined in now, I'm doing a reading today from a deck of cards called Wisdom of the Hidden Realms. So I'll pick a card for you.
Wisdom of the?
With Wisdom of the Hidden Realms.
Okay, thank you.
So you have got a card that's known as the Well Watcher, which talks about wisdom and power of the divine. And you have got him as your ally. So it says that the Well Watcher signals the need to go within to contemplate the true source of power in the world, which he reminds you it is that of the divine. This is a message to let you know that you're being called to the well, and this unseen power will be there and will be yours to align with. This affirmation and prayer will invite the divine to bring miracles and resolution to your life. Thy will be done through me for the highest good of all and for the true manifestation of my purpose. You will know the way forward by a still, small voice within. The divine also may answer your call by sending others to help guide you. Thank you.
Wonderful. Binaifa, if I could also have the opportunity.
Yes.
Thank you.
You have got hungry ghosts, Anu.
Hmm?
They are hungry.
For what, I wonder?
Hey, we shall find out.
I'm hungry about what?
When the hungry ghosts appear on your path, they may not at first seem like allies because they represent your constant focus on the past and the consuming desire to know the future, which rob you of your true present. But in fact, they are here in the service of alerting you to obsessive thinking and addictions. They are masters at magnifying repetitive behaviors. The message is for you to examine whether you're doing the same thing over and over while expecting a different result. This time will be different, and I have control over this, are false statements and a sign of deep denial of the truth. Now is the time to let go of that thinking. Surrender your will, your life, your heart's desires, and all that pains you to the divine. Order will be restored in your world. The hungry ghosts also bring understanding about the distractions of life that seduce you into forgetting what you really desire. They are asking you to become aware that what others want and what the culture dictates will make you happy may not be what's best for you. Don't get caught up in outside appearances. All that glitters may not be gold, at least not for you. Look beyond the veneer and you will find the true substance of your life. You deserve nothing less. Thank you.
Could you explain that in simple language? Sorry.
Basically, the patterns that you're going through. So, you are trying to find an answer for a few things, thinking that, okay, if I do this again, I might get a different result. So, you keep continuing to do the same thing, expecting something different, which is not happening. So, just change your tracks, do something different for a change, and then see where the path changes. So they are here, the ghosts, the hungry ghosts are here basically to just make you aware of your patterns, that even if you're trying to change, it's not changing because you are not doing something different. So do something different and then see how beautiful the results are.
Thank you, Binaifa.
Thank you. Thank you.
I always say